Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out. Hey guys, it's Mike from Ophelia's Bluevine Farm, and again, we're at the Ford's Farm, and we just got done harvesting some stuff, and oh my God, Bob, look at these weeds. Now, this is not a one-time thing. This is a every year thing because of how he transformed this soil. It's amazing. It's like unlike anything I've ever seen. And my God, Bob, look at that. What's going on here?
Well, good soil. Transport your crops every year. Move your crop. Don't leave them in one place. You plant this in one place this year, plant another place next year. We got some awesome things in here. I didn't imagine when we had this thing, but we pulled them out. We got cucumbers coming over there. We got zucchini squash down here. And Mike is really very awesome. We got some good grapes standing on your ground. Come from God.
It's the soil again. We're gonna juice these tonight. We're going to take the tops and we're gonna make us some green. We're gonna make some in with the greens. But this is just amazing. Look at this, to put this in perspective. Evan, come over here. Put your hand on this. My God, this is bigger than a softball. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, Bob. What are you doing here? What are you doing? All natural, all organic. It's amazing. Oh man,
We ain't putting that down for the beaters.
nothing's down. And we gotta go. We got more work to do. Mrs. Ford doing all the work. She's not on camera, but she's doing all the work. What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Bluevine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.